Hello friends, welcome to Option Trading Ki Duniya. In this episode, let me give you the latest updates on LIC IPO. The LIC IPO is scheduled to be organized in the last week of March. Now, during the recent interview to Business Line, Nirmala Sitharaman has said that they are looking at reassessing the IPO dates. She says that earlier consideration was due to domestic factors, but over a period of last 15 days, if you consider the international tensions, it is riskier for the center to take up the LIC's initial public offering. Now, based on the red herring prospectus which was released on 13th of February, Nirmala Sitharaman, our finance minister, said on February 22nd that IPO will be as per the schedule in the last week of March, and many of the investors, 29 crore LIC policy holders, have in a quick applied for demat accounts and got the process ready for them to apply for IPO. So now in the recent meeting, the finance minister has said that they are looking at reconsidering the dates. Yeah, the final decision is not yet taken. The review meeting will be conducted somewhere this week, and the dates will be decided there in the review meeting. And the government is probably planning the LIC IPO in the financial year 2023. What this will impact our market currently? The delay in the LIC IPO will push the fiscal deficit target set earlier by the government. So that is in a way not good for the market. And this morning the bourses, that Indian markets, have already fallen. Nifty by around 300 points, and Sensex is almost down over 1,290 points. Yeah, the Russian escalation is intensifying, and Ukraine is defending. So there is no end to this war at all. Yeah, the foreign countries, yeah, like USA, France, Germany, yeah, in a way they're watching this conflict from the sidelines, and this will have severe impact on the commodities market. The crude oil has already jumped $100 per barrel, and so many brokerages all over the world are predicting that it is going to $115, which is a very, very bad sign for the market. As LIC is planning to sell 5% stake, so that is 316.25 million shares to the general public as well as for all the policy holders. Yeah, the global tensions will not do good for the valuations of the company. So therefore, the government is considering to push the date of the IPO to the next financial year. The review meeting will be held somewhere this week. So this is the latest updates that we have. And for LIC IPO, since it is the largest insurance company, if you look at the gross return premium in our country, LIC has got more than 64% share. So therefore, IPO of such a large company commands a huge grey market premium. So therefore, to those people who are planning to apply for the IPO, so these are the updates that I can give currently. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Stock market is subjected to risk, so always take the advice of investment professionals before investing. Thank you.